the City of Milton Keynes on trial. So we've got trials going between the main railway station and Milton Keynes Centre, so the shopping centre. We've got a mile route between the two, operating in real traffic, so we've got tested these now in real traffic conditions. And that work is ongoing. In the future, well, today we must have a safety operator on board. In future, we'll get that operator off the vehicle into the remote control room. So a lot of the work will be on then looking at the how we can put video cameras on there, stream that data back over a 5G network, and then give you a low latency network so you can then operate the vehicle remotely. And today, it's just going to be a really short route. We're going to travel around this, we've pre-programmed this route here, so you can see the vehicle is this blue rectangle. There's like a LiDAR zoom around it, so if I was now to go outside, you should see a little red orb occur on here.
Yeah.
Unless you've got orange sunglasses, more
Yeah. There he goes right again.
So if this vehicle is now operating, somebody steps out in front, cyclist came in front, it'll come to like a really quite quick stop.
Yeah.
So that's what some of the sort of testing and evaluation work has been. So I'll start that. So we've just got this control panel here. Set the maximum speed for say about 5 miles an hour.
Doors closing.
And now we'll just follow the route that we've pre-programmed it with.
We are about to start moving.
Very short route today, it'll pick up speed and it will then slow down quite considerably when it gets to this corner here. Normally we sort of program that to operate a little bit quicker around the corner, but today at this event we just got a real basic operation. What it's really aimed at is like sort of first mile, last mile transportation. So typically if we operate them on like near industrial parks, Brightwell Lakes Estate, housing estate, 2,000 houses. So just operate the vehicle there, bring the people to the buses that can then operate on the normal routes. So it's not like a bus replacement, it's just feeding people to the buses and also taking them from there back to the homes. University campuses would be another good place to operate them, airports. I think in Ealing there's between the railway station and the bus station to get about a 3/4 mile route. Yeah. That could be an ideal sort of place to operate these vehicles. Okay, now coming into the marquee. In just a moment, one of my colleagues will step out in front and you'll see the vehicle come to a controlled stop. See, he's just standing there and you'll see on the LiDAR here any second now. There we go. He'll now walk away and the vehicle will pick up speed again. This is kind of how it operates in normal traffic. So a car comes to a stop, vehicle comes to a halt behind it, leaves it there to go, vehicle moves, the vehicle will move as well. And you see from the tracks here that it's taken exactly the same route time and time again, so no real deviation on the route. We will lurch slightly to the side up here as it, because unfortunately we ran out of tarmac, so it's very tight coming out here, and although we've got control on both axles, it's just a bit too tight. So it will in the moment slightly lurch over and we'll come to a stop briefly. Obviously what's really key to us as well, not just to trial the technology, but to get feedback from people, what you think about the journey, how smooth do you think it is, any concerns that you might have. And that data is being collected by Suffolk County Council, one of our project partners, so they'll analyse that data. And again, we can then start tailoring the rides more to sort of suit the passengers, depending on what that feedback is. So it could be something like, we'd like a more information screen so we know exactly where we are on the route, where we're stopping points, and all that kind of thing. And I think that's all the ongoing work. So technology trials, passenger trials, remote control room type trials, a lot of work over the next few months, and then operating in different areas. So, NEC up in Birmingham.
Arriving at
extend
destination.
some of the routes beyond the current route, they can take it all the way to the train station. Up the other side of the shopping centre towards some of the main hotels as well. So hopefully you should see these vehicles operate, certainly in Milton Keynes over some coming months, a bit more frequently. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for your time. So if you wouldn't mind leaving some feedback, that'd be fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.